Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and it's time to unbox the Infinix Hot 12, which is a new budget phone from Infinix, which is costing around 27,000 PKR in Pakistan market. In this price range, we have 6GB of RAM with 128GB of internal storage. Also, when this phone is powered by MediaTek Helio G85 processor, which is a gaming processor. Also, this is the Free Fire edition of the Infinix Hot 12. And this phone also has an extended RAM feature. So here is the box of the Infinix Hot 12. Also, in the color I have is the legend white color, and this phone is also manufactured in Pakistan. As you can see on the back, we have some more specification about the phone. And this phone has a 5000 mAh battery size. Also, we have Android 12 on this phone. This phone has a 6.8 inch 720p plus 90Hz punch hole display. On the back, we have dual cameras. We have 13 megapixel main camera. Also, we have 2 megapixel depth sensor. Also, we have AI lens on this phone. This phone also has a quad LED flash. On the front, we have 8 megapixel selfie camera with dual LED flash. Also, we had dual speakers. In this video, we're gonna unbox the Infinix Hot 12. Now let's see that what is Infinix has you offer in this phone. First, let me remove the plastic. And you can see on this box, on the front, we have some character of the Free Fire game. So now let's unbox this phone. Remove this seal without any wasting time, like this. And now let's open this box. Let's see that how is the Infinix Hot 12 looks like in the legend white color. Here is the device. Now let's out the phone from this box. And you can see, and guys, and these are the main highlighting feature of the Infinix Hot 12. Again, we have 5000 mAh battery size with 18W fast charging. So now let's out the phone from this plastic. And you can see here is the Infinix Hot 12 looks like in the legend white color, and you can see, and the camera layout on this phone is really beautiful in this price range. Although the back it is made up of plastic, as well as the frame of this phone, and the frame of this phone is 90-degree flat, so that's really good thing. So now let's quickly boot this phone up. Now let's see what else we get. And other than the phone, the first thing, we have a cable which is a USB type C to USB A cable, and you can see we have USB type C. And guys, you can see, and guys, and this is a 18W fast charger. Also, we have some ejection tool. Also have a IMEI sticker. Right there, we have a soft silicone case, as you can see. And lastly, we have a X-Spark invitation. Lastly, we have a 1-year warranty card with the Infinix Hot 12. So now let's put all these things to the side. And now let's look at the Infinix Hot 12. And guys, now let's see the physical overview of this phone. On the bottom, we have a speaker, USB type C port, main microphone, as well as headphone jack. And on the left hand side, we have SIM tray, as you can see. So now let's look at the SIM tray on this phone. And you can see you can use one micro SD card with the 2 nano SIMs at the same time. It is a full SIM slot inside the SIM tray. We also have rubber, so that's really good thing. On the top, we have nothing. On the right hand side, we have volume up and volume down rocker, as well as a power on button, in which we also have a fingerprint scanner. So now let's talk about the front. We have 6.8 inch 720p plus 90Hz punch hole display, and you can see the punch hole looks really small on this phone. Also, in the bottom chin, it is also really decent. We have 13 megapixel main camera. Also, we have 2 megapixel depth sensor. Also, we have AI lens on this phone. Lastly, we have quad LED flash. Again, I really like this white color of this phone overall, and the design language of this phone is really beautiful on this phone. This phone does not feel this phone is costing around 27,000 PKR. So now let's quickly set up this phone up, and then we will continue. And guys, in the first impression about the display quality, I have to say that we have IPS LCD display on this phone with 720p resolution. And the good thing is that we have 90Hz refresh rate, and the wallpaper on this phone is come from Free Fire game, so that's really good thing. Now let's go to the display. Now let's go to the refresh rate. On default, it is on auto. Now let's go 90Hz all the time. And this phone is running on Android 12, so that's really good thing. And this is the first smartphone in the Pakistan market from Infinix, which gave you Android 12 right out the box. This phone is running on XOS version 10.6. Let's see, and internal storage, we have 128GB of internal storage out of 14GB it is already used on this phone. So now let's see the fingerprint scanner. This phone also has a fingerprint scanner on the side. and the fingerprint scanner, it is working really fast on this phone. So now let's look at the camera. And this phone has a dual cameras on the back. Here all the modes on this phone, no ultra wide on this phone. In the video mode, and the back camera maximum shoot 1440p at 30 fps, no 4K. We also have a bokeh video mode which give you a background blur in video. We also have a video beauty feature on this phone. We also have short video mode. We also have a beauty mode. We also have portrait mode. We also have super night mode. So now let's look at the front camera. On the front we have 8 megapixel selfie camera, and the front facing camera, I would say it is really bad on this phone. Front camera also shoot 1440p at 30 fps, so that's really good thing. On the front we also have short video mode, beauty mode, portrait mode. And now let's see the slow motion. And the slow motion also available with the back camera. On the front we also have time lapse. We also have panorama, and time lapse also available with the back camera. Now let's talk about the battery size of the Infinix Hot 12. And this phone has a 5000 mAh battery size with 18 watt fast charging, and the MediaTek Helio G95 is the main highlight of this phone, because Infinix says that Infinix Hot 12 is a gaming phone in this price range, which is a true thing, because MediaTek Helio G95, it is a really powerful processor in this price range. Overall, I really like the design of the Infinix Hot 12. Also the processor on this phone, which is the main highlight about this phone. This phone should give you at least 1 day of battery life without any problem. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Infinix Hot 12 Free Fire Edition. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well. And I will see you in my next video. Peace out.